Hi, I'm Cayman, and I'm playing Pocket Camp for a little bit. Okay, I see the maracas. Okay, now I hear them. I just had to stand closer. Anywho, we had the garden event that I literally just finished off the scrape of my teeth. We got like 1 hour left of that. And I also did the bug event. Here's my cozy little campsite at the moment. Do I have your picture yet? What level of friend are we? I want your photo. Oh, I think I already have his photo then. Okay, already have his photo. I have got to look at my inventory of stuff. I look and see if... Villager photos. Yes, I do have this. Cool. Oh, I can go ahead and expand my camper. Who would have deducted me? I love how they sometimes give me money. Like, is this a bribe to make the campsite a little bit better? To make them my favorite or something? Because it's not gonna happen. Alright, you also wanted to talk to me. Resources. Also, I don't know if y'all can hear it in my voice, but I'm still kind of sick. Oh, and you also wanted to talk to me. Why are you wearing lipstick? Is she a cow? Who put lipstick on the cow? Yeah, I burned through chapstick too. Ooh, can't breathe out of my nose. Oh yeah, I wanted to show y'all Isabelle in her cute little kimono. She's so cute. But yeah, I got all the darn butterflies, which was a task and a half. I need more, like, things to put on things. They're like, not things to put on things, but like things that can be put on. Like tables. I was looking for tables. Because look, there's stuff all over the ground. Oh yeah, I also, got this dragon, which is pretty cool. And look at this clock! It's so galaxy and cool. I also got, Blathers' little bus station. And I got Harvey's little cabin. I don't know if you can actually go in it. And I got little Daisy May's little pumpkin thing. And, Gulliver's mat. So that's kinda cute. But, let's go to OK Motors. Honestly, I'm loving the whole New Year's event thing, because I'm really vibing the kimonos, you know? Alright, how much are you? Alright, I can go ahead and do that. And boom. What the, okay. And I can also have a hot dog. I kind of like my Galaxy. I'll keep that. Hey, we're expanding another year. What was that accent? Note to self, don't do accents when sick. Alright, I will pay that later, because I don't have enough right now. Oh, look at all this room that I need to fix. Let's go upstairs. Ooh, pretty. I forgot I did this. Alright, let's go home. Ooh, that set looks really cool. Alright. Let's go ahead and... This is by friendship level. Let's do requests. Wish it would stay on requests. Lily. She's adorable. There is a little thing on my cord. I'm just taking it off because it's bugging me. Ah, that's better. She's so cute. Yeah, my tablet. Yeah, there was like a little Velcro thing on the cord from my tablet to the capture card, so. Me a sip of water. Jeez. It was like... It was a stretch goal? Oh, 4 green series on my campsite. Okay, cool. Oh, let me see what we got here today. Not much happened today. I could, I'll use the computer. Oh, the fishing tourney starts Friday. Okay. These are so cute. Yes, I am spending sparkle stones. I'm holding my water. I meant to take a sip. I love these little pennants. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I'm wearing a bonnet. My dad likes to pick on me for it. But I just put it over my ears a little bit more. Also, I have certain characters locked, so they can't go nowhere. I think I want to lock the villagers who I have on my islands. Because it would be fun. I've seen other people do it. So far I only have Cherry and Apollo. I need to get Zucker. I love him. Or I could get Cephalobot. Because he just moved on to one of my islands. I have 2 islands. I have a regular Switch and a Switch Lite. My regular Switch I have up on my channel. So I make videos on it. My Switch Lite I can't. So that's just a personal. You can come visit anytime you want to. I'm not keeping you from visiting. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 villagers. Now let's go ahead and do Rocco. Shino, that's another character who's on one of my islands. I love Shino. Dude, I have it rotating every day. Oh, I just turned the mic off for a minute so I could blow my nose. In case y'all were wondering why I went quiet. Excuse me. Jeez. I love this set. This set is so cool. But yeah, I'm really loving the whole New Year's stuff that they got going on. Oh, that thingamajig was for you. What is with the angry eyebrows? Zucker! I love Zucker. He's so cute. But, yeah. I mean, I'm gonna invite everybody else. I just wanna look at all this. I love Shino. This is really cute, actually. But yeah, I love the architecture. I just... Oh, so pretty. Oh, can you actually stack stuff on branches? You can! Oh, I love that kimono! Look at the little inn garden. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, look at all this. Oh, I love it. Oh, you can actually have makeup. Oh, look at the yukata. Oh my gosh, I love it. Ah. This stuff is cute, but... I love that archway. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it's a boba shop. Oh, this stuff's cool. Look at this little sushi restaurant. Oh, that is cute. I want it. I want that kimono. I definitely want the set. I mean, look at that. Okay. I gotta get off of that. Because I'm gonna spend way too many, of those things. Tian Chang. Oops. No, I'm not selling the map. There's Zucker. Tian Chang, Shino, and Zucker are all on my island. All on the same island, actually. Ew. Bubbles. I will not be going on her map. I used to have, Diana, whatever you want to call her. And I also used to have Tia. I love Tia. But she wanted to leave, so I had to let her go. Alright. Invite campsite. I have a goal I need to do. I wanted to invite everybody this episode. Oh neat, it's actually animated. The little camping thing. Yeah, look, she's happy. Ashmina's kind of cute. I've never had her on one of my islands. I would love to have Drago on one of my islands. I want him on my light island, because my light island I'm doing like a fantasy thing. On the regular island I'm doing Persona 5. That is the theme. Whereas my light island, it is fantasy. Do those drums actually make noise? Max is kind of cool. I like his style. Considering that's the furniture he wanted. Did he just say Picanti? Okay, if that's his if Picanti is his catchphrase, I kind of like him even more. Oh, look at them! They're so cute. I wanted to look at the rest of that. Good to know the candle's interactive. That fireplace is kind of cozy. Alright, Ava, come on down. Oh, look at them. Aren't they so fancy? I hope that's not chicken. Yeah, I need to get Dobby set. Alright. One, two, three, four, five, 6 more. Alright, Kurt, come on down. What is with the band-aid on your head? And he's also got a unibrow. He's weird. I like his furniture set, though. Didn't I just read that? Alright. Carmen. People sometimes call me Carmen. Even though Cayman and Carmen are nothing alike. Yeah, they're a little bit the same, but... How do you get Carmen out of Cayman? There's no R's. On my sister's Netflix, you know how you have the little profile pictures? Mine is Carmen Sandiego. I go over there enough to watch their Netflix. Well, I babysit their kids a bunch. I actually finished watching Carmen Sandiego on their TV. Did I watch it at their house, or did I finish watching it in my house? At any rate, I finished watching Carmen Sandiego. I did not do the little interactive one. Should probably watch that. I think there's a Carmen Sandiego game for the Switch. Maybe. Look that up. I keep forgetting Fang is a boy. I keep thinking they're a girl because they have the eyeliner. Not the eyeliner, eyeshadow. Rio is very colorful. But yeah, I definitely want Drago on one of my islands, most notably the Light Island, because as I said, it's fantasy themed. Alright, Egbert, come on down. It's cute, he's got a little museum. Eugene is not on any of my islands, and I'm kind of sad about that. Because he's cool. Aliens and Bob. Alright. Elise? Oh, she's got office stuff. My mom used to work at an insurance company. Well, an insurance agency. It was like 4 or 5 people in the one building. And she worked with 2 ladies who were both named Cheryl. So, I think they're both Cheryls. Anyway, every time I think of office stuff, I think of Cheryl. But, Elise just reminded me of that. My mom has been gone 5 years this year. This June. She's, in the afterlife, the great beyond, whatever you want to call it. I am non-denominational Christian, so I believe in heaven. And so that's where I believe she is. What you doing, kid? What's with that furniture set? Alright, I think that's everybody. Yep, that is literally everybody. Okay. It's going by friendship level, then why is it going that way? Okay, right, there we go. Oh, I'm better friends with Draco than I am Cherry. Oh, I don't have Eugene's photo yet. How come you're not on my campsite? You just, favored everybody's furniture. Okay, I already got all your furniture, so I don't have to worry about you. We got all your furniture. Kiki got all yours, so we're good. Rodeo got all you. Bud got you. Tank got all you. I just need to raise up your friendship. Ketchup, she's on my island. Got all your furniture. Missing a couple things for you. We got all your stuff. Sprinkle. Got all your stuff. Ketchup. Got all of your stuff. Don't have all of yours. Kid Cat, I love Kid Cat. Got all his stuff. Bill. I don't have all of yours. Robin. Got all yours. Bree. Got all yours. Maple. Got all yours. Twiggy. Got all yours. Wendy. Got all yours. Diana. Nope. She was on my island for a little bit. Gaston I really don't care about, but I'll get his stuff anyway. June is absolutely adorable. I would love to have her on one of my islands at some point. I just gotta raise her friendship. Gladys, just gotta raise their friendship. Zell. More of his stuff. And Punchy, I think I just gotta meet. I think that's everybody. Alright, let's open this up. Who is clapping? Alright, I'm gonna leave as is, because, doesn't really matter. That's who's clapping. Oh, do I have Freya locked? Let's unlock Freya. Mary's cute. Yeah, let's have a little bit more rotation here. Alright, let's go to Blathers. Let's go to Zucker. Let's do the auto trek. Sucker! Yay! Okay. Now let's do Tian Shang. Let's go ahead and do this. Teaching! Yay! Alright, last but not least, let's do Shino. Shino! Love her. Alright, I don't think I'm going to do any more right now. And there's not really anybody else I want at the moment. Oh, we got a stretch goal. Oh, right. I want to change the background. I'm kinda sick of those trees. Okay. I also don't want the deck. That's better. And there's our stretch goal. How do I save a custom design? I think... Yeah. Oh, is that gonna show anything? Okay. Let me get my Switch. Because I actually do have a custom pattern. I have to open up my game. The game cartridge is in there. You don't have to check if the software can be played. Loading. It's loading. Did I even share what I want to look at? You can enter in lowercase letters and without the MO or the hyphen. Okay. Let me go back. This is my creator ID. Are we going to load the game, or are we just going to sit here? No, I'm going to exit that while that's loading. Oh, right. This is what I want to do. I want to edit this. Oh, finally. Edit. Okay. And here it is, the new one. If y'all want to be friends with me, here's the QR code. I'm gonna leave that up for a minute. I'll turn the volume down on my Switch. Because there is a custom design that I took forever to do after following during following a tutorial. I don't care that Flick is on the island. Like, that's great, but I don't have any bugs to sell him. Custom designs. Yes, I would like to access the design portal. Posted designs. No, I don't think I... No, wait, I did. Ha! Alright. I'm gonna pull that off the screen. I did share it. Okay. 0 X and 1 5 J G9 0 CC 1. Is that gonna work? Ha! I did it. Alright, now how do I wear it? Oh my gosh, look at me, I'm so cute. But I'm gonna put this back on. Yeah. But yeah, isn't this cool? Oh my gosh, it took me forever to make this stupid thing too. But yeah, I made that. It's not giving any the code information. Oh, if y'all want to download it, I think I just put the code up there. You can go back. It's MO0XN15JG90CC1. It's UA Girls Uniform. So yeah, if I want to dress up as a My Hero Academia character, I can. Is there anything else I wanted to do this episode? You know what, Muffy, get out of here. Goose, you're gone. Tian Shang, you're in. You two are locked. Oh, right, Freya, you're out. Zucker, you're in. Confirm. wanted to get out of the custom design portal. There's Zucker. Look at Tia and Shang. Okay, where's Shino? Where is Shino? There she is. Oh, I have 28 of these things. I wonder how much friendship level it'll get me. Oh, up to level 9. Oh, 2 sparkle stones. Oh, so close to leveling up. Shino, get bigger. Let's give her 15 of those. Shino sent me a letter on my island. She sent me a pilot's cap. Oh, you know. Friends. Oh, sweet. I got her picture. And I'm now level 43. Nice. Flurry and Colton. I'm gonna exit out of New Horizons. Yeah, I can make that right now. There we go. And there you go. And Tea and Shang. Probably should have saved some for Zucker, but oh well. Oh, that got me up to level 22 of friendship. Yes, I got his photo. And now I'm up another level. Ooh, I like that rug. I have that rug on my house in my Persona 5 island. Yeah, I can make that. There you go, buddy. Alright, and last but not least, Zucker. I only have 8 of these. So we're not gonna get very far. Ah, so close to leveling up. So I better get back here. Have a snack. I have 2 of these. Oh sweet, more sparkle stones. Ah, so close. Oh well, I don't think I'm gonna get any farther. Anywho, I think that's all I'm gonna do for right now. So I'll see you next time. Bye!